Hello again and welcome back to Risa's Attic. Well, I've been in my computer room slash craft room slash grandkids playroom, and I have been working on my cards, having fun. In my confinement, I'm 60 years old. I've been trying to stay at home. My health hasn't always been real good this year, so I've been staying at home as much as I can. But I want to issue you a 5-card challenge. Now you may say, what on earth is a 5-card challenge? Well, thank you for asking that, because I'm fixing to tell you. 5 cards every week. I'm challenging you as card makers and anybody else. If you've got cards at your house that you buy up and I'm gonna start sending cards out to everybody, and you never do it, you got all these cards at your house, now is the time. I'm challenging you, especially you card makers. I'm giving you a challenge to send out 5 cards every week until this thing goes away. You can do this any way you want to. If you've made up bunches of cards and you've not used them, I do that a lot. I want to show you some of the cards that I've done. This one right here and this one right here was from a coloring book for adults that I have purchased, and I've made up these cards. To me, I colored these with Copics. Here's another one that I did. These were larger pictures, but I cut them down and I made cards out of them, and I did other things to them. Glittered it up, put some what is that called? Gosh, I can't remember. There's 2 of my favorites. Here's some stamps, some cards that I got recently from Crafter Companion from Tuesday Morning. This is some of the stuff that I did with them. And here's some cards that I've been watercoloring. Been trying my hand at that. So I've got 5 cards already. This is going to be for a guy. I already got it in mind who I'm sending that to. I'm going to start sending 2 cards a week to closer friends, and then 3 cards a week to just acquaintances. You can do your cards any way you want to. You can send out 5 cards a week to elderly people that you know who may be homebound during this time. You can send out 5 cards a week to your neighbors just to let them know that you're thinking about them and you're praying about them. The post office will even assist you in this. You don't have to go to the post office to buy stamps. You can order them on USPS.com and they will just drop them in your mailbox. You don't even have to go to the grocery store to buy them. Don't have to go to the post office to buy them. Buy them online and they put them in your mailbox. People you know in the military, nursing homes. You could call a nursing home. How many people do you have in there that don't have regular family? If you know someone who's quarantined with corona, get one out to them. Or somebody like myself who's just decided I'm not getting out, it's too risky right now. If you accept this challenge, will you please let me know? Let me know you've accepted this challenge. And do me a favor, extend this challenge to every one of your card-making friends and to everyone on your social media, everyone on Facebook, everyone on Pinterest, everyone on Instagram. Good gravy, there's so TikTok, everybody. I mean, there's more stuff out there than I have no idea of all the stuff that's out there. But you do. And you can make some happy, delightful, wonderful. How about the clergy in your church? Everybody that's still there every day, in and out. Or the lay volunteers that you know that aren't getting paid to do what they do. This would be a wonderful time to let them know you're thinking about them. Please, 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 let's get this to catch on everywhere. I don't even have to get the credit. That ain't what I want. But let me know if you read this and you've decided to do it, okay? God bless you. Stay healthy and safe. Bye-bye.